welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're going to learn a new chord formation, and we're just going to take the chord formation and we're going to move it in two different positions, and that's what we're going to practice. Alright, let's jump right into this, and let me show you what we got here. Believe me, you're gonna like this. All right. First one that we're going to be doing, and let's get a good shot at that, is D. As you can see, the bar is going across the first finger. It goes all the way across the 6 strings, and then you'll see that how you have your pinky up on the 5th fret, your 3rd finger's on the 4th fret, your 2nd finger's on the 3rd fret, and the bar is going across the 2nd fret. Okay, we got a good look at that? This is what it looks like on the guitar. Okay, this is a full bar. Now what happens here, if you remember in one of the videos where we were doing bar chord preparation, I had the C chord with these 3 fingers. Okay? All this is now is, instead of using a capo, for instance, we're using the bar to go across. This is not easy to do. Alright? A lot of times people will take this chord and with this finger, they'll just bar the 3 strings here and then add the other 3 fingers. So in other words, we'd take this bar off and would only bar these 2. And then you'd use these 3 fingers. Okay? Got a little look at that? Let's take a look at it again here. I'm going, which is actually the D chord, but the fingering's a little different. Okay, if you start it this way, and that's actually recommended, where you're not going to play the E string. When you get comfortable, you put the full bar up. And again, this is not an easy thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this same form, we're going to move it up 2 frets, and it becomes an E chord. Okay? Just so you know, pinky, that's the root. Okay, let's give you a picture of the E chord, just so we'll know. The fingering, and this is the only easy part, the fingering stays the same. It's just in a different location. Alright, so we're getting all that now. The same principle applies with using the bar only on the, the first 3 strings, 2nd finger. Okay, 2nd finger on this is on the 4th fret, 2nd finger on the 5th fret, 3rd finger, you see, it's on the 4th string, it's on the 6th fret, the pinky is on the 5th string on the 7th fret. Full bar. Alright? 2 ways we're going to practice this. We set our metronome as 60s, when you do your count, and you start it with the half bar. Alright? And we're going to go 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay? And slower if possible. Alright? You just, if you might not be able to move it quickly, you move it slower. You know how to set the metronome where you could go like, and what we don't want is this. When you play it, we don't want to hear it. Please. Alright? When you get a little more comfortable, we use the full bar. And just so you know, the main reason I like people to learn the full bar as opposed to just the shorter version here with the half bar is that down the road you might want to play where you get comfortable and you could, let's say, do if you're here, you could do this, but you don't have that. Alright, so again, this choice I actually leave up to you. If you're just more comfortable playing it this way and that's it, so be it. Preferable, you work this. Again, 4 beats each, 4 downstrokes. And you're going to get, you get some of that too. It's all right. Okay? What we're looking for here is a nice clean sound and little by little building up the hand strength. All right? Again, this isn't something that, like a week later, yeah, I'm going to know it. This is something a couple of months down the road, you'll probably feel strong enough to use it. All right? Any questions? Comments below. If you like what you see and hear, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Have a nice day, and we'll see you soon.